Good afternoon, everyone. We've noticed a change in performance and behavior from one of our top team members, Rico. Before we meet with Rico, I wanted us to discuss what we've observed and how we can support them.
I agree. Rico has always been consistent, but over these past few weeks, they've been late, missing deadlines and avoiding team meetings.
I talked to Rico last week. They said they are just really tired and feel overwhelmed by the workload.
Yes, they used to read brainstorming sections. Now, they sit quietly. I think they are emotionally drained.
You can also prepare a feedback form or a schedule of private check-in, and I also make sure that the wellness support information is ready.
Perfect. If Rico is open to it, we can offer a counseling session in breathing space through our employee wellness program.
Let's make sure they don't feel blamed. We want to encourage recovery, not pressure.
Thank you all. I now meet Rico one-on-one. Hi, Rico. Thanks for taking the time. How have you been feeling?
Honestly, just not great. I'm tired, I can't concentrate, and I'm dread coming in Sundays.
That's tough to hear, and I want to thank you for your honesty. You've always been one of our strongest performer, and we want to support you. What do you think would help?
If possible, a break. Fewer responsibilities, even just for a short while, would help a lot. I don't want to disappoint anyone.
You're not disappointing anyone. You're a human. Let's approve a 3-day leave. Reduce your current load, and I'll connect you with our wellness officer, Mr. Bamonde. We'll check in again after that. How does that sound?
That sounds really helpful. Thank you so much, Ms. Jeff.
Based on my observation, Jazz handled the situation with empathy and didn't pressure Rico. That's how creative this is. The team showed great collaboration beforehand, and everyone contributed to finding a solution without judgment.